Bonjour, hello, welcome to MaxMountainWorld. Bonjour, hello, a continuation of the series I've been doing on the snow's arrival here in the Alps.
Vigilance rouge, 3 autres départements restent en alerte orange, la Drôme, le Vaucluse et les Alpes de Haute-Provence. Localement, on attend jusqu'à 1 mois et demi de précipitations sur des sols déjà gorgés d'eau. Météo France produit de nouvelles inondations. En Roquebrune-sur-Argence, on retrouve.
Today is the first day of December 2019. The start of the winter 2019-2020, and we have some weather arriving. Now we've been waiting for this. As you probably see, I have the series that I've been doing. If you have a look up here, it'll appear. And you can have a little look and see how things have progressed over the last few weeks with early snowfalls, lack of snowfalls, all sorts of things going on. And today I'm going to update on the 1st of December, Sunday, 1st of December. Now, you probably noticed just behind me here, there's a couple of pairs of skis missing. I'll come back to that, they're in the car.
Oui, les habitants, ils sont lassés, résignés de ces fortes pluies qui seraient avaient été complètement emportées par endroits. Le bitume vraiment déplacé la semaine dernière. Ces habitants qui nous disent à distance dans ceci de la part de la commune qui a déjà ouvert une cellule de crise.
Hier, dans une grotte sur la commune de Sainte-Chartreuse, 2 d'entre eux ont pu être secourus sains et saufs ce matin. Le département de l'Isère est actuellement placé en vigilance jaune, pluie, inondation, neige, verglas et avalanche.
So that's the national weather forecast on the telly. Yeah. Let's have a quick look. I'm going to consult Stevie on the tablet, and then we'll go outside and see what's going on outside. So here is Stevie, the alpaca in Scotland. I'll put in up here a link in to explain what Stevie's all about, but let's have a little look and see. 0 degrees it says just now, and that's come down a little bit from earlier. So we can see here 93, very high percentage of snow, and an alert going on the phone, and we can pick off what's happening today, and hopefully this is going to work because we had a few problems with Wi-Fi connections and stuff this morning. Maybe it's not going to work. Bagger. White. So just leaving the man cave, head through to the car. Friday night I finished work, I loaded up my skis and stuff into the car, ready to go on Saturday or Sunday or whatever. Today's Sunday afternoon. Don't think I'm going to be skiing, but it's all ready to go anyway, just in case. So the problem is I've been ready to go. Saturday wasn't that great. I was getting people telling me, I was getting reports on the internet and stuff that snow was there but icy, and I don't want to just go skiing for the sake of skiing. I want to test out my new skis, and there's no point in doing that unless the conditions are ideal for them. So we'll have a look. Conditions today would be absolutely ideal, fresh powder, but the problem is I can get away with the car. It's all activated, ready to go for winter. You'll see up here, I'll put a little link in that's going to explain how I got the car ready and various things like that. So the problem isn't getting away. It's if I'm away for 3-4 hours and the snow's falling at the rate of 4 or 5 centimetres an hour, that's the rate it's landing and staying, then the chances are I might not be able to get back. It's a Sunday. The priority for the local authorities is not to open all the roads quite. There's hardly anyone about. There's no need for it yet. So I've got to take the car out, just see what's going to go on. So let's have a look and see how Ek the Saxo is going to enjoy this. this is all set up. I've got my skis ready to go. Obviously I don't put my boots in the car because they've got to be kept warm, otherwise I never get them on. So let's see how Eck is feeling this morning. Let the fuel pump buzz, charge itself up. Spot on. Okay, so just head out, if I can. It's a bit snowy. Maybe I had about 15 centimetres. I say the problem would be, look at this, untouched. Oh joy. We're in cloud just now, but as you can see, it's still snowing a little bit. I don't want to go too far down here, just to not take the risk of being unable to come back. So yeah, quite a bit of snow around. ABS is always a good thing. See what we're like here. Oh, nice. Yes, I don't think very practical to attempt to go anywhere today. The snow's predicted to carry on till this evening, and you know, if I do that and I come back and I have problems, it's 10 times more difficult to sort out chains and all sorts in the dark. Well, bit of a speed wobble there. Nice and quiet, fresh snow, but I think really not practical at all. So I'm going to try and head back up. See how we go. Still snowing fairly heavy. Wow, it's quite deep here. I'm not sure I'll make it up, but I might need to employ a different method. Here we go. Second gear, a bit more traction. Carrying on. Sorry if the cameras are wobbling a bit. I've kind of got skis and stuff in the way of the mounts for the cameras. This corner we're coming up to at the end of this is the one that always provides the difficulties. So a very delicate manoeuvre, none of this hooning around. The car's kind of floating a bit anyway. So just try and keep a bit of momentum and just allow the car a method to slow down as it's trying to get grip, and that way I'm not putting so much power to the wheels. The snow can only handle so much power. So you come up to something fast and gradually, purposefully lose speed. Don't let the car lose the speed for you or you're dead in the water, or ice or snow or whatever. Midway through the third storm. This is a lot of snow, and hopefully that's just going to explain the practicalities of getting about in the snow. When the snow comes here at all levels, whether you're walking in it, driving, working, whatever, it just makes it so difficult to get anywhere. Yeah, it can be fun, but as you can see, quite well snowed up, and I don't really want to attempt to go anywhere. Good to go out, test it, see what's what, but anyway, thanks very much for watching. There'll be another update soon, probably after the storm's finished. I might do one tomorrow. So, as usual, remember to subscribe. It's down there somewhere. And once you do so, click the alert bell and you get alerted to the next videos that come along. So if you're waiting to see what the next one is after this, you'll get an alert next time you log on to YouTube. Okay, thanks very much for watching. As I say, ciao.